In today's video, I am going to teach you how to contact Wizz Air customer service. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Wizz Air account. Once you are signed in, go to the Wizz Air homepage. This will make it easier to access the support options that are connected to your account and any existing bookings. At the top of the homepage, look for the Help Center in the main navigation bar. Click on it to open the support section. This area is where Wizz Air provides help articles, account guidance, and direct customer service options. When the Help Center page opens, find and click Contact Us. This will take you to the main contact page, where you can review the support methods currently available. Take a moment to look through the options so you can choose the one that fits your situation best. If you need to speak directly with a customer service agent, use the country and language selection tool on the Contact Us page. Choose your location and preferred language carefully. Once you do that, the correct customer service phone number for your region should appear. You can then call that number for help with bookings, cancellations, refunds, flight changes, or other account-related concerns. If live chat is available on the page, you can also choose that option to speak with a Wizz Air support representative online. This can be useful if you want help in real time but do not want to make a phone call. Follow the prompts in the chat window and provide the requested details clearly. For issues that are less urgent or that require supporting documents, use the contact form or email option that appears on the Contact Us page if one is available. This is often a good choice when you need to explain a situation in writing or attach documents related to your request. Before you contact support through any method, make sure you have your booking reference and personal details ready. Having this information prepared will help the support team verify your account and locate your reservation more quickly. Once you are connected with a representative, follow the instructions they provide to complete the process and resolve your issue. Be ready to confirm details, answer questions, or submit any documents they ask for. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.